Hello, everyone. My name is Leo with the Orange County Realtors. We're going to go over the Supra eKEY self-sign-up process. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is share my screen with all of you. Once again, my name is Leo Loera with with the Orange County Realtors. I'm your Supra Key specialist, and I help you with your membership needs as well. My phone number is 714 area code 375-9313, and my extension number is 239. My email address is also leo@ocrealtors.org. I'm really good at responding to my voicemails and my emails, but honestly, a lot of us can be able to assist you with this whole process, setting up for the key service. So the first thing we want to do is making sure that you've downloaded the Supra eKEY application on your phone, whether that's through the App Store or through the Play Store. And then you're going to check to make sure that your Bluetooth is on and location services are on in the settings of your phone. Then you can contact us to get access to the key service. We're going to ask you to verify your membership information, your email address, and also your cell phone. Why? Because we want to make sure that you provide us with the correct information, so that way you're going to get a text message and an email from Supra to help you with this process. This whole process you have to complete within 5 business days. Otherwise, the key that we assign to you will drop, and then we have to do this whole process all over again. So we encourage you to do it as quickly as possible from the time that we send the information over to you. So that text message is going to look similar to this one on the left-hand side, and then on the right-hand side will be the email. This is just an example of it. And then within that email, we'll also have the authorization code and also a 4-digit PIN number. I'll explain what those will be needed for later. So once you get that email, you're going to open up the Supra eKEY application onto your phone. You're going to press activate. And then step 2 will be, I already have an authorization code because it was already emailed to you. And then you'll input that authorization code, mixture of letters and numbers. Don't worry about uppercase and lowercase. It'll automatically change it to uppercase when you input the information in there. And then you have to agree to the EULA agreement and also the privacy notice. Then after you click those 2 buttons, the next step will be choosing your Supra eKEY service level. Now you have a choice between the basic service, which most agents use, or the professional service. Honestly, the professional service will allow you to have access to the MLS data. And that information will allow you to be able to see it even in areas where you have no cell phone service or very little signal. So if you encounter that situation on a regular basis, we highly recommend that maybe perhaps you want to consider the eKEY Professional at $27.13 a month. In addition to that professional service, it allows you to help your client look for that ideal home using home tours. So it'll be something that you'll coordinate with your client to be able to answer questions back and forth. But honestly, most of our agents stick with the basic key service because you can get in and out of lock boxes and also secure your lockbox to that listing if it is your listing. And there's a demonstration on the right-hand side of the differences between the two. After you chose your service level, now you have to confirm that you're going to be charged the $50 activation fee. You'll be asked of this again later. The prorated amount of the monthly billing. So if you are doing the basic service, whatever date you do this whole transaction, and the billing cycle goes from the 16th of the month to the 15th of the next month, whatever date you're doing this, you're going to see a prorate amount of that $15.99. And you'll also be charged taxes on this. And then you'll input the credit card information. Once you input that credit card information, you go to the next step. You want to input the billing address for this credit card and then click save. And then just going to review it one more time. Activation fee, prorate amount of the monthly service that you've chosen, and it lets you know that there's taxes tied to it. You'll make the payment. It'll show you the screen, submit a payment request for whatever that dollar amount is, and plus any applicable taxes. You have to pay taxes, unfortunately, and then click yes. Now you're almost done. You have 2 links, the order confirmation form as well as the key holder agreement exhibit A. These are just your documents showing that you signed up for the key service. There's a lot of information you may want to keep there. You can either print that or you could file it on your phone as a file. If you need us to email the information to you, just let us know. We can be able to assist you with that. Once you click continue, then the last step will be that Supra is going to download the rest of the data onto your phone, and then you'll see all the different icons. Now, for the basic service, you're going to see, for example, my key boxes, messages, data at the door, pro walkthrough, and other icons. And then, but the big thing you're going to look for is obtain key and open shackle. Obtain key is what you're going to press to get the key out of the lockbox. You'll go through those steps, and it's going to ask you that 4-digit PIN number that you saw in the original email. The open shackle will be something that you have to input a 4-digit PIN number in order to access that lockbox's shackle to secure to the property. We'll demonstrate that when you come to the office, when you purchase a lockbox from us. There's a lot more information. You can look at our website at ocrealtors.org. Under member services, we have a Supra page just for this kind of stuff. But you can also reach us at 949 area code 586-6800. And you can also email us, membership@ocrealtors.org. We'll be more than happy to assist you with your questions. And that's it for me. My name is Leo Luera with the Orange County Realtors, and I wish all of you a great and exciting rest of the day. Thank you very much, and bye-bye now.